Qingdao Yingguan Innovation Technology Co. Ltd. was founded in 2019, deeply engaged in UV LED application field. The company has been certified as a high-tech enterprise and obtained ISO 9001 Management System certification. Products have obtained certifications from Health Authority, CQC, SGS, Guangui Institute, and other testing institutions. Products comply with ROHS Directive and various international certifications including UL, EPA, over 50 product patents acquired. With profound technological accumulation and continuous R&D innovation, build a comprehensive product matrix. Covers sterilization modules for multiple scenarios. UV sensing equipment. Main product lines such as industrial curing light sources, relying on strong R&D and production capabilities. Provide customized professional sterilization solutions for customers in various industries. Products cover medical, home appliances, rail transit, and other industries. The company boasts over 200 mature product categories, serving more than 500 clients worldwide. The company adheres to the concept of safeguarding health and creating a better life, actively carry out industry-university research cooperation with experts from domestic and foreign research institutes and universities. Jointly promote the development of UV LED health industry.
UV Works 专业杀菌方案提供商。